Eishomero Rihiire Omwe n'ebintu byachwekera okurugerwa Moses Kataba mukuru w'entebe y'okubanza bwa Nyamwamba East n'ahamya amakuru aga kandi asiima poliisi abo kurugayo mu bwangu kwatanisa n'abaturage abarariza omurro gw'obwangu.
Katungerisiima busana ne government eritwanguhira itwabitera DPC bamatuletere matoka erisalimya omwanyono owe school.
Okurugerwa mugambirizi wa polisi ya Rwenzori East Region SP Nelson Tumushime n'ahamya ekizibu eki konka n'oburugo bw'omurro tugukamanyirwe obwe polisi erikukyondooza.
Fire outbreak at Hope Orphanage Primary School in Nyamwamba West in Kasese municipality. One pupil was injured and several items also were lost in the fire outbreak. The cause of the fire is not yet known, but police is on the ground to establish the probable cause of the fire.
Tumushime nanjera kushoborra ngu polisi ebase kushaba abantu bona n'ebitongore hoteli amakorero okubasa kuba n'ebyoma ebirikuraza omurro ebya fire extinguisher.
What we are going to do is that we are going to call out inspection on some of these institutions, especially schools, factories, and other institutions of learning, to ensure that they have firefighting equipment at their premises. And short of that, they will be prosecuted.
Tembo Isaiah mukuru w'entebe y'okubanza ahabwa Kitoro Ser abase kushaba abaturage abanyamwamba East Ser okurebeka ngu ebitongore byabo byabana n'ebyoma ebirikuraza omurro.
Tomabulangire ekizibu eki mwana ndi mukikana peninga iko hano mu Nyamwamba East munaburekire mu Nyamwamba West, but this time in school kandi itunamuhabula abinyama school tuti wamatunge boarding section kutse haba nabakakisayo ku school ambe hakirachira ibaba na wite akuma akakakolachi akakalima yomu.
Bwanyuma y'orukiiko ab'ebyobushobozi muri Kasese municipality babase kwikiriza abazaire okutwara abaana baabo omuka.
N'orukuratwo tukarangira abana betu nga tubarwike tuti sirwange kwa micha bwatu kairi amasa omwana yoyu eye tukatekawa erekenga kairi nga nayo mubuti omwana oyu tukarwika.
Ebi byakushakirwa Alneitwe Godwin Bwambale Kasese ahabwa Tayari West Agenshong.